we'll guide you through how to download Claude Code on your Mac. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your favorite web browser and navigate to the official Claude Code website. Make sure you're visiting the correct and secure site to avoid any malicious downloads. Once you're on the home page, look for the Download section. Typically, there will be a big button that says Download for Mac, or something similar. Click on that button to start the download process. After you click, your browser might ask you to confirm the download action. Go ahead and click Allow or Confirm to proceed. The download should start automatically, and you'll see it appearing in your Downloads folder. Once the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder and locate the Claude Code DMG file. Double-click on the DMG file to start the installation process. A new window will pop up, and you'll see the Claude Code icon along with an Applications folder. Simply drag and drop the Claude Code icon into the Applications folder. This will copy the application to your system. After the copying is done, you can close the installer window and eject the DMG by clicking the eject icon next to it in Finder. Now, to launch Claude Code, open your Applications folder and double-click on the Claude Code icon. The first time you open it, you might see a warning that this is an app downloaded from the internet. Just confirm that you want to open it by clicking Open. And that's it. You're all set to start using Claude Code on your Mac. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.